I've just finished making a video about 5 mistakes petite ladies should be watching for themselves. I used to do them and I fixed them for myself, and now I want to fix it for you. Have a look at the video and let me know if you do these mistakes, or if the suggestions I've made in the video, would you accept them? Would you try them in the next time you're dressing up? These are small little things, little tricks and tweaks. When you use them in your outfit, an everyday outfit can look extraordinary, and people would be looking at you in a good way, not to not to get attention or anything, but in a good way. Let me know what you think, and comment any questions you have. Put them in your comments below, and I would get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll watch you in my new video. I'll see you in my new video. Thank you. So the first mistake is wearing a long tunic with your normal trouser. What happens when you wear a long tunic on a petite body? It cuts you in half. It makes you half and half. Better to switch it for a shorter top and relaxed trouser. That would give you a good proportion of your body, and it will make you look elongate your legs, and it will make you look better. Another thing you can do is column dressing. You can wear a same or similar top and trouser underneath, so your body looks like a column, and change it with another color on top. One mistake we all do is not customize our length. If I wear a very long trouser with the kitten heel shoes or flat shoes, it will be touching the floor, and it's like overwhelming the whole situation. So I would rather switch it for the high heels or customize my length, so it makes it look absolutely proper on me. Another mistake we do is big and baggy things together. It's not right at all. If you're wearing a culotte trouser or baggy trouser, better to switch your top to either crop top or fold it up. I would switch it to a longer length trouser, which is normal length on me, and I would fold up my top. It will instantly make my body look 1/3 and my legs go 2/3 on my body. It just give me the right proportion. Another tip you can do is to ditch the crop trouser. It's not for you. It just cuts your body in different places, wrong places. Switch it for a longer length trouser, and you'll see the magic. You can make it even better with the pointy toe shoes, even if they are flat. Now, this is a classic mistake every petite woman is doing at some point. Wearing a skinny top with the skinny jeans and a high heel. So it looks like you're making too much effort. It doesn't look nice at all. So if I switch the trouser to a more relaxed trouser and still wear my heels, I'm looking nice and slim and tall, but without making much effort, making the whole outfit look better. So what do you think? Let me know if you do these mistakes, and do you agree or not? Thank you. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you are a CEO of your life, promote and demote people according to how they behaved with you. Surround yourself with positive people and get rid of the negative people. Thanks for watching.